Our Paxton Vanity starts with high-quality, solid brass tubing that is cut and sanded to an exact size and finish. From there, the parts are expertly welded to form a complete and seamless frame. Each corner is sculpted to create a smooth and continuous shape, highlighting our passion and attention to detail. The frame is then polished by hand, then plated in nickel to achieve a beautiful finish. In our milling department, the drawer parts and finished panels for the Paxton are cut by our CNC router. The router cuts each sheet of material to the specified dimensions of the vanity. Once the material has been cut, all pieces are run through our edge banding machine and the drawer parts are sent to our drawer department to be assembled. The finished panels are then carefully attached to the completed metal frame by one of our dedicated craftsmen. Drawer systems are added and the drawer boxes are put in place and tested to ensure they are in perfect working order. The drawer faces are attached and any specifically ordered hardware is installed, completing the vanity. Before shipping, the Paxton is inspected and cleaned. The vanity is securely wrapped and packed to prevent any damage while in transit. It is then boxed and ready to be sent off to its new home.